everybody, and welcome to today's video. We are unbagging or unboxing our Ipsy Glam Bag. This is my paid for bag. Don't worry, Haley and I will be back to do a little Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. My girl's super uber busy, guys, so whenever she gets a chance to come over, stop by and do our videos, those will be up to you guys. Quick disclaimer, guys, I can't hear. Like, I truly, I've been out with the kids and everything, enjoying this beautiful weather, and my ears are now completely clogged. So if I am screaming, I don't mean to be, I just can't hear. So anyways, I do want to give a huge shout out to The Good Candle. This is not sponsored or anything, but she did send over some of her amazing candles, guys. She's coming out with new scents, I believe this week when this video goes up to you guys. Definitely make sure to check her out. She did give me a coupon code for you guys. It is code HOTMESS. Definitely go check her out. This one is the Moroccan Sunset and Gratitude I have upstairs. Oh my gosh, they're absolutely amazing. Make sure to check out her car diffusers as well. So again, new scents coming out all the time. Also check out my adorable little PJs. Yes, I said PJs. You guys, I'm having a flare-up and allergy issues, so your girl wants to be cozy. I just filmed a Ashley Stewart and then a Forever 21 haul over on my second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, and I figured might as well just stay in my cozies, you know what I mean? So make sure to check out my second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for weekly plus size curvy girl fashion hauls, and check me out over on Instagram. You guys, we were like 600 away from that 10K goal that I started with last year. I'm so excited. Anyways, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, chit-chat about makeup, unbox makeup, and remember, it's just makeup. It's not that serious. We're here to have a good time. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay guys, so again, this is my paid for Ipsy Glam Bag. Ipsy does offer 3 different memberships, and this one is $12 a month. It is a monthly subscription, and you do get to customize one of the items in here. I was actually able to get into my app and customize my one item, which I'm super excited about because I know a lot of you guys, when you guys saw the release of this product, you guys were like, can you please review it? and then it showed up as an option in the Ipsy, and I was like, yes, I can. Now, if you guys are interested, they also have a monthly subscription called the Ipsy GlamBag Plus. That's $25 a month, and you do get to customize 3 out of the 5 items in that subscription. And then they have a quarterly one called the Ipsy GlamBag X. Oh my gosh, I just uploaded a video last week for you guys. Actually, it went up today when I'm filming this on Friday, and some of the items and brands we are seeing in the Ipsy X for May, pretty awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead. Now, this is profile based, guys, so make sure to always keep your profile updated. I'm looking like a hot dog on mess, guys. It is what it is. Your girl's just not feeling that great, but it is profile based. I do fib on mine, which I kind of want to go back in and adjust the age. I have in there that I'm like in my mid-20s because I was trying to get a better bag than Haley like years ago, and it was working for a bit. So anyways, the first thing that I see that is outside of the bag are 2 sheet masks from the Cream Shop. One is Peaches and Cream, a fashion sheet mask. The benefits of 2 masks in one. It is Korean based. And the other one is Blueberry Banana. That just sounds yummy. This, again, 2-in-1 sheet mask. So that is our first item. We do get a bag every month, and this is what this one's bags look like. It's very, very cute. I don't even know if I'm speaking English at this point, so I apologize if I sound a little off. You guys, it's like my brain is floating right now. You gotta love allergy season. Said no one ever. Okay, ooh. So the first item in here is by Silk E. This is a sleep repair deep conditioning hair mask. I love that. So this is what it looks like. It is in a really good size. It's a deluxe size sample, I would guess, but it still looks to be a good amount. It says made for all hair types. It's paraben and sulfate free, which you guys know I am all about. The next item in here is exactly what I picked, which has me so excited because this is the new Benefit the Real Magnet mascara. And when this released, a lot of you guys asked me to please review it, and you guys know my love of mascara, so I just went ahead and picked this up, you know, save myself some coin, and we'll definitely be trying that out. Make sure to follow me over on Instagram because I will probably be popping a video up over there as well. But this says it's 40% longer, 40% plus longs. What does that even mean? I don't know, but I mean, the before and after looks very promising. I mean, do you see that? That's the before, after, like, okay. Next in here, really? Oh, this is a brow gel. This has got to be full size. This, oh, almost dropped it. It says Browsy Brow Gel and Clear. And it is We Are Fluid. So I guess this is like a new brand to Ipsy, but I mean, again, that's a full-size item. Next, our last item in here is Sophie and Mabel I Woke Up Like This Skin Perfecting Primer, and this is 10 milliliters. So I mean, you get, again, a really good amount in here for, I mean, this, again, it's a $12 bag. So I mean, wow. Am I impressed? Yes, I am actually impressed with this bag. I wish, okay, I say this, but then I'm like, girl, you really don't. I mean, you guys know I love eyeshadow palettes, so I always get excited to see eyeshadow in here, but I do like that I'm seeing a hair mask in here. Like, I really do like that, and I'm super excited to see the Benefit new mascara in here. I can't wait to try it out. Maybe I will like slide a little clip in here telling you guys. That's what I'll do. I'll put a clip in here of me testing out this mascara on a different day and giving you guys some information on it, because I am pretty excited. It's powerful lifting and lengthening mascara. Anywho, I mean, what do you guys think about this bag? I don't know if it'll be a contender up against HAILEY'S, because HAILEY'S bags have been absolutely amazing. So we will definitely try and hopefully put our bag head to head and see how mine does. Make sure to subscribe and stick around, because as soon as, if you have the notifications bell on, as soon as that video goes live, you'll be notified for when Hailey and I go head to head with our Ipsy Glam Bag. And this is a month that we do see Ipsy GlamBag Plus, so Hailey and I will be back for that as well. I mean, overall for $12, getting to try out, you know, new mascara, hair masks, brow gels, primers. That's the one thing, you guys, I always tell you that I love about subscriptions, is because I feel like when I focused in more on subscription boxes, I'm spending less money elsewhere, because I'm getting a good mix of different things to test out and try out. And so far, it's working. Anyways, guys, don't forget to give me a follow over on my second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for some plus size curvy girl fashion hauls. Over on Instagram, I have been better about posting, and I say that and I'm worried I'm gonna jinx myself since I'm feeling like I'm not, allergies, not feeling the best, but I've been better about posting like little makeup tutorials over there. And let me know what you were most excited about if you received the Ipsy Glam Bag. And you guys, I'm telling you, check out my video. I'll try and pop it up here, put it at the end of this video, of all the sneak peek spoilers for the Ipsy Glam Bag X coming in May. Holy guacamole, it's amazing. Also, make sure to check out the good candle. She's a small business owner, entrepreneur. These are 100% natural soy candles. I promise you guys are going to love them. They smell amazing, and you don't have to worry about soot in your house, so we love that. Anyways, everything will be listed and linked down below if you guys are interested in signing up for Ipsy. It is not an affiliate link or anything like that, but it's just a way that you guys can just go over there, sign up. I may get like some little Ipsy charms, rewards, I don't know what it's really called, but just when you sign up, make sure to share your referral link and you'll get the same as well, and you can shop the Ipsy store. So anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.